Okay, I wonder what's on TV.
We can't wait to see our favorite shows that are currently on.
Wait. What just happened?
We're sorry to inform you that our TV service is undergoing maintenance. Our service will be back up in a few hours. Please try again later.
Well, crap. I guess we'll have to do something else until the TV service starts working again.
Few hours later.
Okay. I think the internet service should be back up now.
What? Are you kidding me?
We are mistaken to say that the TV service will actually be back up tomorrow. Please try again later.
Come on. We want to watch some shows on the freaking TV. But yet, it's still under maintenance.
You know what? That's it. We've had enough of this stupid TV service going down. Let's smash the TV. Just great. The TV is just stupid.
Dr. Eggman, I think we're busted.
My freaking gosh, Metal Sonic and Dr. Eggman. How dare you two smash the TV? You know that was expensive to buy.
But Sonic and Amy Rose. Its TV service kept going down and we can't really wait to watch our favorite shows. But because of that, we can't.
We don't care. You two should have waited until it came back up, and you two could have watched them on your computers. And for this, you two are grounded until the Frozen 2 movie comes out in theaters on November 2019. Go to your rooms now.